Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's video, we will show you how to remove duplicate data in Google Sheets. While working in Google Sheets, you may come across large spreadsheets where you have to deal with many duplicate entries. We understand the pain of dealing with duplicates and how difficult it would get if you were to highlight and remove entries one by one. Open Google Sheets file that you need. Select the data that you want to filter through. Click on Data at the top tools bar. Choose Remove Duplicates from the list. Go to Columns to analyze and check the columns that you want to be analyzed. Check Data Has Header Row if it applies to your data. Click on Remove Duplicates. You'll see a pop-up with results. Click OK to close the pop-up. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!